In the symphony of love, appreciation is the harmonious note that resonates with gratitude and recognition. When relating to a man, regularly express your appreciation for the things he does and the qualities you admire in him. Appreciation is the acknowledgment of his efforts and the celebration of his presence in your life. It is the note that makes your love melody sweet and fulfilling. So, let appreciation be the guiding note in your love symphony, and together, you'll create a relationship filled with joy and acknowledgement.